if the flashlight is not working on your Oppo phone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on System and Update. From here, just select Backup and Reset. Then tap on Reset Phone. Now from here, just select Reset All Settings. Then tap on Reset, and by doing that, you will reset all the settings of your Oppo phone. And this option will not delete any data of your smartphone. It will just reset all the settings of your phone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. Now after you do that, then just go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on Apps. Select App Management, then tap on the three dots over here. Select Show System, then in the search bar, just search this. Tap on System Launcher, then go to the Storage section. Tap on Clear Data and select Delete. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen, then perform a restart on your phone. For that, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Just like that. And once you do that, you will see the power menu on the screen. Now just swipe up and select Restart. Now after you've done that, now just go to your home screen and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now as you can see, by doing that, you will fix the flashlight not working issue on your Oppo phone. Now if you're trying to turn on the flashlight while you're using the camera app, this will not work. As you can see, if I open the control center, as you can see, the flashlight icon is grayed out because the camera is in use. To use the flashlight while in the camera app, just tap on the flashlight icon and select Always On. And by doing that, you will turn on the flashlight in the camera app. And this is how you can fix flashlight not working on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.